Later on in Medina Munawwara, you and I know that when the Prophet ﷺ went up for Mi'raj physically, he was given the gift of Salah. Came down, and Salah became compulsory after that. Before that, there was prayer, slightly different, and it was not compulsory, voluntary. Later on, it became compulsory in stages. Initially, Aisha radiallahu anha says, أَوَّلُ مَا أُنزِلَتِ الصَّلَاةُ مَثْنَى مَثْنَى. When Salah first was made compulsory, it was made compulsory 2 units, 2 units, 2 units. Then it remained that way on a journey, when a person is on a journey, but it was increased in units for those who are not on a journey. Therefore, Dhuhr you have 4, Asr you have 4, I'm talking of the Farad. Maghrib you have 3, Isha you have 4. When it started off it was 2. So this gradual revealing of the instructions to us is something worth studying.